Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add folder to your Google Drive account. So first thing you will need to do is to be signed into your Google Drive. As you can see, this is the folder we will be adding. It is called My New Photos, and when I open it, as you can see, there are some photos. So I will go back. Now I will delete this folder, and now I will show you how to add one. Right click here and click on new folder, or go right here to new folder. And when you will add new folder, you can name it My New Folder. And then, as you can see, this is your new folder. You can double click it to get inside. And now you can open your pictures and upload them to your folder. So this is how you add folder in Google Drive. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.